Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fine-tune your GPT with custom information. So what we want to do is go to this guide, fine-tuning, and I want to explain how this goes. So first we need to create a JSON-L file, which is a collection of JSON lines, and we want to give it the name based on what data we are uploading, so because it will be listed on the left side, so we want to have a good description of what we are tuning for. Another thing is, this is the structure we need to have for uploads to be successful, because first we have prompt and question, and this is the separator for the question. So at the end of every question we need to have this. For completion, we want to have white space before every answer, and then we want to, at the end, we need to have white space end, because that is the separator for the completion. It's recommended to create at least 500 lines to have a successful tuning, and if you see that your model isn't performing as good as you want it to perform, you need to double the amount of lines you have. So if you have 500 and it doesn't perform as you thought it would, you would need to upload 500 more. That is based on OpenAI API docs. So we can open the chat that we already have, or create new one. We'll create new one. There is upload button on the bottom right of the screen, where we'll be able to upload JSON-L file. And when we upload, we click the check icon to send it to the server. Tuning can take up to 5 minutes, which is really long, but that is how they made it. You are basically training your own LLM model, so that's how much it takes. We can't refresh the page or close the page, because if we do, the model won't save in our IndexedDB. And when that's done, the file will show up in the fine-tunes list. And you can click to use it. You just click on it on fine-tunes list. We have this. I created this JSON-L GUI creator. So if you don't have your own JSON files, you can just create questions here, like who is this guy? This guy is some random guy. And you can add line. And this will add the separator for the prompt and for the completion. So you don't have to worry about that or edit here, because that will be added. You can delete the line if you don't like what you created. And when you're done with adding all those lines, you can just click create JSON file. And as you see here, it will download the JSON-L, and you can use it to automatically upload in the chat. So what we want to do here now is create new chat. So let's do new chat, create chat, and here's the thing. If we go here and ask the question like this, what is Andrea Guy's daily fitness routine? And ask the question here, let's send it to the server. While we are waiting for the response, what we wanted to answer is this: Andrea Guy starts with his day with a morning run, and then he heads to the gym for weight training and cardio exercises. But that's what we wanted to respond, but it doesn't have information about me, so it just says something like, I don't know. For the first answer, it wasn't connected to the internet, but it says now, I'm sorry, as an AI language model, I do not have access to the personal information about individuals, and Andrea Guy's daily fitness routine is not publicly available. So what we want to do now is upload file and go select the file at JSON-L, and that's the file that I have in VS Code. And when that's uploaded, just click this icon to send it to the tuning, and now it's tuning it on a server, and we need to wait. And I'm gonna pause here and come back when that's done. File was uploaded successfully and tune was created. So now we can select the chat we want to go and select the tune. So this is the only one that we have. And now, if we try to go with this question again, it should now answer with the mock data that was described here. So this should be the answer. Yeah, this isn't exactly what we set it to be, but it's gym cardio workout weight training. So it's basically, it got it from the context from this that we gave it to, from this completion. So that's it. We can try with another one just to make sure this works. So let's go with this one. Creating successful business strategy, raising capital, finding the right team, and that's it. So basically that's it. That's how tuning works. Everything's done for you on the server. If you want, you can delete, and the file that got uploaded will be deleted, as well as the tune. Here, I forgot to mention, if you want to create JSON-L using this graphical user interface, you can just click here. And yeah, that's it. That you should be good to go. You can tune your own models for your own specific purposes.